Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board Vasai East. Today we have going to learn Standard 9th entire Sanskrit. Lesson number 3 Dhanyoto Datruyachakau means donor and pleader. They both are great. Students, in previous video we have completed our translation and grammar part of the first two paragraphs. Today we learn about the remaining paragraph. Now I read the third paragraph. दिग्विजयानन्तरं रघुः विश्वजित् नाम्नि यज्ञे अशेषं धनं दानरूपेण अयच्छत् लङ्लकार of the basic root da यच्छ रिक्तहस्तं रघुं दृष्ट्वा कौत्सः निवृत्तः verb दृष्ट्वा as a त्वान्तव्यय. It's a पूर्वकालवाचक धातुसाधित त्वान्तव्यय of the basic root दृश्यपश्य. And in this sentence we find out the विशेषण विशेष्य. रिक्तहस्तं is विशेषण and रघुं is विशेष्य. रघुं तं आहूय आगमनस्य प्रयोजनम् अपृच्छत्. Verb आहूय is पूर्वकालवाचक धातुसाधित लभ्यन्त अव्यय of the basic root a plus वे. And verb अपृच्छत् in लंग लकार of the basic root पृच्छ. तदा कौत्सः अवदत्. Again अवदत् in लंग लकार basic root वद. रघो अहं गुरुदक्षिणार्थं 14 कोटि सुवर्णमुद्राः गुरवे दातुम् इच्छामि. संधि दातुं plus इच्छामि. And here दातुम is हेत्वार्थक धातुसाधित तुमन्त अव्यय of the basic root दा यच्छ. किन्तु भवान् पूर्वमेव सर्वस्वदानम् अकरोत्. संधि पूर्वमेव पूर्वं plus एव and verb अकरोत् in लंग लकार of the basic root कृ. अतः अहम् अन्यत्र गच्छामि. Verb गच्छामि in लट् लकार of the basic root गमगच्छ. रघुः अवदत्. हे कौत्स तिष्ठ मम यज्ञशालायां विश्रामं कुरु. अहं निश्चयेन तव साहाय्यं करोमि. Verb अवदत् in लंग लकार basic root वद. Verb तिष्ठ in लोट लकार of the basic root स्थातिष्ठ. Verb कुरु लोट लकार of the basic root कृ. And करोमि in लट लकार basic root is कृ. Next paragraph. कौत्सस्य गुरुभक्त्या प्रभावितः रघुः कुबेरम् आक्रान्तुं सङ्कल्पम् अकरोत्. कुबेरः रघोः भयात् आक्रमणात् पूर्वमेव प्रभुतां सुवर्णवृष्टिं करोत्. संधि सुवर्णवृष्टिं करोत्. सुवर्णवृष्टिं प्लस अकरोत्. तत् दृष्ट्वा सन्तुष्टः रघुः कौत्सम् आहूय सर्वं सुवर्णं तस्मै दातुम् ऐच्छत्. संधि दातुम् ऐच्छत्. दातुं प्लस ऐच्छत्. And verb दृष्ट्वा is पूर्वकालवाचक धातुसाधित त्वान्त अव्यय of the basic root दृश्यपश्य. Then दातुम् is हेत्वार्थक धातुसाधित तुमन्त अव्यय of the basic root दा यच्छ and verb ऐच्छत् in लंग लकार of the basic root ईश इच्छ. Next किन्तु निस्पृहः कौत्सः अवदत्. भोः राजन् अहं केवलं गुरुदक्षिणार्थं 14 कोटि सुवर्णमुद्राः अभिलषामि. Verb अवदत् in लंग लकार of the basic root वद. अभिलषामि in लट् लकार of the basic root अभि plus लस. Next न वाञ्छामि अधिकं. वाञ्छामि basic root Vanch in lat lakar form is vanchami. राजा सर्वस्वं दातुम् ऐच्छत् किन्तु याचकः अधिकं मादातुं न अभ्यलषत्. संधि अधिकं मादातुं, अधिकं plus आदातुं. In this sentence, verb datum and adatum. These two words are opposite words. Datum means to give and adatum means to receive. And both are from the hetvartak dhatusadi tumanta avya. And verb abhyalashat in lang lakar of the basic root abhi plus lasa. अनेन प्रसंगेन दानशूरः रघुः तथा निरीच्छः कौत्सः च द्वावपि साकेतजनानां मीन्स अयोध्यावासीनां कृते पूजनीयो अभवताम्. संधि द्वावपि द्वौ plus api. This sandhi is called as a ayati sandhi where av change into ava. And verb abhavatam in lang lakar of the basic root bhubhava. As well as we find out here two pairs of visheshan visheshya. First danashurah raghuhu and second nirichhah kotsaha. Okay children, now we see the translation of these remaining two paragraphs. Before it, in previous video we have learned about Kotsa, who is brilliant student at Varatantu's ashramas. He was not only intelligent but he also had great respect for his teacher. At the end of his academic, he wanted to give something to his teacher Varatantu. The teacher was very kind and loved his students. Hence, he never wanted anything from his students in return. But as Kotsa respected and loved him so much, he wanted to give him something. So he expressed his wish to give Guru Dakshina to his teacher time over and again. To taste our student's mind, teacher Varatantu told him, bring 14 crore gold coin. For completing his wish, Kotsa went towards the Raghu. Okay, then दिग्विजयानन्तरं रघुः विश्वजित् नाम्नि यज्ञे अशेषं धनं दानरूपेण अयच्छत्. दिग्विजय grand victory, अशेषम remaining, and namni means name. Translation: after his grand victory, King Raghu donated all his remaining wealth in a holy fire ceremony named Vishwajit. रिक्तहस्तं रघुं दृष्ट्वा कौत्सः निवृत्तः. रिक्तहस्तं empty hands, निवृत्तः left or leave. On seeing King Raghu with empty hand means without any wealth, Kotsa left from there. रघुः तम् आहूय आगमनस्य प्रयोजनम् अपृच्छत्. आहूय by calling, prayojanam reason. But King Raghu called him and asked him the reason for his visit. तदा कौत्सः अवदत्, रघो, अहं गुरुदक्षिणार्थं 14 कोटि सुवर्णमुद्राः गुरवे दातुम् इच्छामि. Then Kotsa said, King Raghu, I wish to give 14 crore of gold coins as Guru Dakshina. किन्तु भवान् पूर्वमेव सर्वस्वदानम् अकरोत्. पूर्वमेव already. But you have already donated everything you had. अतः अहम् अन्यत्र गच्छामि. अन्यत्र somewhere. So I am going somewhere else. रघुः अवदत्, हे कौत्स, तिष्ठ, मम यज्ञशालायां विश्रामं कुरु. तिष्ठ means stop, stay here or wait. King Raghu said, O Kotsa, wait, rest in my yajnashala. Aham nishchayena tava sahayam karomi. Nishchayena means definitely. I will definitely help you. Okay, the next paragraph. कौत्सस्य गुरुभक्त्या प्रभावितः रघुः कुबेरम् आक्रान्तुं संकल्पम् अकरोत्. प्रभावितः means impressed, Gurubhaktya by devotion of Guru, and Sankalpam means decided. Impressed by the devotion of Kotsa, Raghu decided to attack Kuber. कुबेरः रघोः भयात् आक्रमणात् पूर्वमेव प्रभुतां सुवर्णवृष्टिम् अकरोत्. वृष्टिं rain. Fearing to attack from King Raghu, Kuber rained a lot of gold. Students, in this sentence we find out avyay bhayat. The basic word is bhaya, means fear. This avyay expects the Panchami Vibhakti, that which is the cause of fear is written in Panchami. For example, Kuberah Raghoho Bhayat Suvarna Vrishtim Akarot. This sentence telling about fear from Raghuhu. So we take Raghoho, which is Panchami Vibhakti of the basic noun Raghu. Okay, clear? तद्दृष्ट्वा सन्तुष्टः रघुः कौत्सम् आहूय सर्वं सुवर्णं तस्मै दातुमिच्छत्. On seeing it, King Raghu was satisfied and called Kotsa and expressed his wish to give all that gold to him. Children, here datum means to give. This is a hetvartak धातुसाठी तुमंत अव्यय of the basic root तायच्छ. Verb तायच्छ expects dative form of object. For example, Raghuhu tasmai datum echat. Here, word tasmai is chaturthi form of the basic pronoun tat. Correct? If we use kotsa word instead of tasmai, then also we use chaturthi vibhakti of the word kotsa. That means kotsaya, because it is a akaranta pullingi noun. So remember that whenever we use da yacha as a verb, then always we expect dative form of the object. Okay, the next sentence. Kintu nispruhah kotsah avatat. Nispruhah means disinterested. But disinterested Kotsa told him, Bhorajan, aham kevalam gurudakshinaartham चतुर्दश कोटी सुवर्ण मुद्राः अभिलषामि. Verb abhilashami means wish. O king, I only wish to take 14 crore gold coins for Guru Dakshina. Na vanchami adhikam. Vanchami means again wish. I don't wish more. So students, here we learn the pair of synonymous words abhilashami and vanchami. Okay, the next last paragraph. राजा सर्वस्वं दातुम् ऐच्छत् किन्तु याचकः अधिकम् आदातुं न अभ्यलषत्. The king was ready to give all, but the pleader doesn't wish to take more. अनेन प्रसंगेन दानशूरः रघुः तथा निरीक्षः कौत्सः च द्वौ अपि साकेतजनानां कृते पूजनीयो अभवताम्. Because of this incident, both well-donor King Raghu as well as disinterested Kautsa became worshipable to the people of the city of Ayodhya. Students, in this last sentence, we find out the avyay krute. Krute is one of the indeclinable. Avyay. Krute means for. And this avyay expects Shashti Vibhakti of the word for the sake of whom or what. For example, Saketa Jananam Krute. Word Saketa Jananam is the Shashti form of the basic noun Saketa Jana, which is Akaranta Pullingi word. Okay students, here we completed our translation of the whole lesson. Please note down this translation in your notebook and try to solve the questions which are given in the Bhashabhyasah and revise this topic very well. Thank you so much.